Hi, for my culture Pedgogy Screencast, I have chosen the podcast called How to Spot Dyslexia and What to Do Next. I have also chosen the human article right number 2, which is everyone is entitled to all the rights and freedoms set forth in this declaration without distinction of any kind, such as race, color, sex, language, religion, political or other opinion, national or social origin, property, birth or other status. Furthermore, no distinction shall be made on the basis of the political, jurisdictional, or international status of the country or territory to which a person belongs, whether it be independent, trust, non-self-governing, or under any other limitation of sovereignty. I believe this podcast provided a lot of information about dyslexia and how to correctly spot it. I believe there's a lot of information that teachers still to this day need to know about dyslexia. The author of this podcast, Jennifer Gonzalez, states, underestimating the prevalence of dyslexia can result in students not getting the kind of early intervention that could make a big difference. Teachers may dismiss reading and writing difficulties as attention problems or the student not being developmentally ready for certain tasks, so the diagnosis is missed or delayed. My next slide will get into the tip I have for kindergarten through 3rd grade, and my tip to them would be to use visual and auditory words. I stated this tip because those who struggle with dyslexia tend to read less and at a slower rate. To help promote vocabulary and ideas, create an environment rich in words. Flashcards, poems, or text, and plenty of activities, including reading aloud, listening to the radio, are all great tips for K through 3rd grade. My online tool for K through 3rd students is called Natural Reader. I chose this because reading can be very hard for dyslexic students. However, Natural Reader allows you to upload your document and turn on the dyslexic font, allowing the student to read the document better. And this link that I'm going to be taking you to, this will be able to provide you with everything you need to know on how to use Natural Reader. So here's a video that will show you exactly what to do.
Welcome to Natural Reader. Natural Reader Web Premium offers unlimited use of 57 premium voices.
Hi, I am Ryan.
Hi, I am Sharon.
Hi, I am Daniel.
Natural Reader works with PDF, MS Word, as well as text, RTF, and EPUB files. You can just drag and drop and listen.
It is a truth universally acknowledged that a single man in possession of a good fortune must be in want of a wife.
Convert text into audio files so you can listen to it anywhere. The pronunciation editor allows you to modify the pronunciation of any word.
Natural Reader.
This application is smart enough to ignore headers and footnotes.
Its disclosure does not have a serious negative impact on the organization. Another consideration related to data classification or categorization is ownership.
As a web application, the program is always up to date.
So the video that was just shown just sort of shows you how to use the website. And one thing it didn't show you though, in the video is when you click here to go to Online Reader, it's going to bring up where you can drag and drop your files or just, start typing. But one thing that they do allow for students that have dyslexia, you can turn on the dyslexic font and it will show you an easier way for them to understand the reading. Going back to my presentation, I chose a 4th through 12th grade tip, and what I chose to kind of talk about is to let them know that it is okay to let the teachers know that you aren't understanding the content, that they should plan for extra time and stay very organized. I chose GoTit Real Writer app as my online tool for 4th through 12th grade students, and this app is a comprehensive literacy software. It helps children and adults with dyslexia and dysgraphia to read, write, and correct text, and the link attached will bring you to the GoTit website, and this video right here will show you how to use it or how it is supposed to be used. So,
Got It Real Writer and Reader is a reading and writing assistive technology that helps people with problems in reading and writing to read and write freely. Got It Real Writer and Reader can be used directly from any Windows or Mac application, or can be used as a simple text editor. In the first example, we will use Got It Real Writer and Reader directly from Microsoft Word and will correct spelling, grammar, misused words, and punctuation errors. Got It offers the option to receive audio assistance and double highlighting proofreading.
About. The meaning is 1. In the immediate neighborhood of. 2. In contiguity or proximity to. I saw butterflies in the garden. I did not understand it was winter at home, but it was summer at the garden. I noticed it was time for school. So, I ran out so that I would not be late. When I got to school, I told my friends about the garden.
When you are done, press on the smiley icon to return to the Word application. In the following example, we will use Got It Real Writer and Reader as a simple text editor, and we will demonstrate the Got It word prediction.
Help. Us. To. Understand. The meaning of understand is 1. Be clear about. 2. Having knowledge of.
Got It Real Writer and Reader can be used as an assistive editor for Google Docs.
Newly. Developed.
From images and inaccessible documents.
Got it, I got it right.
So that video just gave you an idea of how GoTit really works and how students should be able to use it. So I wanted to just touch on how my human rights article tied along to my podcast. And I chose the human rights article I chose was the second one. I didn't really know exactly how it all tied together, but I thought since a lot of people with dyslexia feel very different or thought less of as a student, people might look down on them. I thought the article tied together because it states that everyone is entitled to all rights and freedoms set forth without distinction of any status. I think this is a good tie together because kids with dyslexia shouldn't feel that they can't be the same as someone without a disability. And that is all I have for you today.